We just came from HEB, got all these groceries, and look at the way it is outside.
God.
And we have to run to the house.
And all the lights came back on, but the lights were off.
The lights, yeah.
So I got my umbrella ready.
I don't have nothing.
And you should wear this hat, my love. And I know I'm gonna scream like a little girl. And
Oh my God, what happened right now where I go, get ready, sick?
I'm gonna take off.
I told him, all right, you ready? And then he was already gonna take off. With no bags or nothing, he was just gonna take off. Leave the milk and everything here to rot.
Yeah, I want you to go with all the.
Off the Raiders steering wheel.
Okay, and we got everything. Get your keys ready.
Oh, zip up the thing because I don't want. Oh, well, the phone. Wait, no, because the phone's gonna go in there.
Oh, okay.
All right, so here we go. We'll let y'all know what happened.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, so we just got inside from this Father's Day that's turned craziness out here. Look at that. Oh, oh my God. It's blowing him away. Oh my God, we're all wet.
Both of us. That was a.
Oh, look at a little spider.
Oh.
Oh, you wouldn't have done that before, right?
No.
Why, Chito?
Because I love you. That, but.